guys, welcome back to Goods and Things. I'm Gabriel Lucena, and today is the first day of Goods and Things Season 2. Now this was inspired because we have Goods and Things for a long time, and I decided to make this. And also, this week is COVID-19 promotion week. That means we sell a certain item each few weeks. We sell an item for a good price. This week we're selling the Goods and Things Girly Press for only $10 this week. So please get it. Please get it. Additional to that, this is another promotion for the cookbook that can happen anytime. So we're gonna send a link below in the comment section. Once you tap it, it's gonna be a blue message. Once you tap it, it's gonna bring you to this thing where you're gonna download ARC, where you're gonna download something. It's gonna be the official Goods and Things cookbook online. Mostly we have one in our basement, but the one we're gonna give to you is gonna be online. So then if you have a phone or an iPad and you download it, then you could just, if you're cooking something from our website, you could just use it for you. It won't work on computer because unless you can move your computer around. If you can't, then it won't possibly work, and you can just try to memorize it. So, additional to this season 2 thing, we're gonna make more cooking videos, maybe more traveling videos, more stuff like that, and new special giveaways, like the free one a while ago in like January or something. And March is concluding. I don't think we made a video this month. If we did, I probably wasn't in it, but this is the first video in March. I was in a video, and March is ending, so hope you guys enjoyed the new season, and hope you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below what's an idea for season 3. Bye guys, take care. This is Gabriel Lucena signing off.